Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer application on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and then just here on the search bar type X icon changer. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while the application installing on your device. Now just open the app and here can you see we got all our available applications on our device, and you can select one from this application to change the icon. For example, we can go with the default one with the contacts. Here you can rename the application, the icon if you want, and right there we got the library with the folders with icons that you can just select to your application. Also we got here the photo section. You can select your new icon from the gallery from your device photos. You have just watched you should just watch the video, or also you can take a picture. Also we got here on the left down corner the plus icon. You can tap there and here you can download the right now these three more icons folders. For example, we'll go with the first one. Now we just should watch the video to download this folder for free. And now we'll just wait a couple of seconds, and now as can you see we just download the new folder with the icons on our to our library. And for example, we'll choose one from these icons. For example, that's all the contact icons, so we can just go with this one. And now here on the right upper corner tap to the OK, and also one more ad. Now just keep the and tap here on the X icon again, and here just tap to add automatically. And now we can go to the desktop, and also we can change the next icon by the same way. So and now we'll just see the new icon. As can you see here we got our new contacts icon, and now I'll add the default contacts icon to see the difference, as can you see. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.